How to make Google Form not require sign in. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to make Google Form not require sign in. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Google Forms and tap on the first link you see there. You will be led to the official webpage of Google Form. Here on the top, you will see the option for sign in. Tap on that and go ahead and sign yourself in at the first place. Once signed in, to make Google Form not require sign in, open an existing form which you shared with people for getting their response, and in the interface that you will be led to, on the top of your screen you will see three options, that is questions, responses, and settings. Tap on the settings option and under the settings tab, tap on the responses drop down. You will see various options. Under require sign in, go ahead and make sure the toggle button for limit to one response is toggled off, because if this toggle button is toggled on, then only the people whom you have shared the Google Form link will be able to fill the form and others will not be able to fill the form. So this is how you can make Google Form not require sign in. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.